Welcome back to the Perfect Cut tutorial by Polar Lab. Introducing the 45-degree module. For all the following instructions, the same concept applies to the 90-degree module. Combine the snap-off cutter and the 45-degree module to perform both straight and curved cuts. For cutting a straight line later, prepare the Perfect Cut acrylic or aluminum ruler and the 45-degree module. Before performing any of the cuts, we have to decide the depth of the cut. To cut all the way through the material, extend the blade a little longer than the thickness of the material. To avoid cutting through the material, make the blade a little shorter than the thickness. Let's start to perform a curved cut. It would be quite simple when you attach this side to the surface of the material to be cut correctly. When performing a curved cut, the cutting angle will remain 45 degrees, just like that. Now let's try to cut a straight line along the ruler. We don't need to use the steel stripe on the ruler. We will use this side of the ruler. Let's say this is the starting point we are going to cut from. Align the module and the ruler like this, then pull them along the ruler. Just like that. If you find it difficult to cut through the edge, it's caused by not having a support at the end. We can put a leftover piece at the edge to stabilize the module and ruler.